across the board. Why? Because we realized that so many athletes still get 10,000 pesos per month. Mas mababa po yun. Mas mababa po yun sa minimum wage. How can our athletes survive kung mas mababa yung 10,000, wala na po talagang pupuntahan? So when I ask, what is the effect of this 5,000 per athlete, per coach, across the board starting August? 10 million pesos. Nandiyan naman ho yung mga kaibigan natin sa Kongreso. Kung dagdagan nyo na lang budget namin. Maraming salamat, Kong Mike. Pero sa akin po, let's give it to them. And I'm sure you're happy that with this proposal. 5,000 across the board, all national athletes and all national coaches. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta.